to get the springs back on, you want to put them on every 8, 9, 10. I do every 10. I got these on there. I put all the springs on, so you want this loop part to go on there, and this part will go on your metal up here. So you get that first one on, and I want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to grab my next spring and put it on the 10th one and go every 10. So I'm going to make sure I get the right one. I believe it's this one. So, and keep doing that. When you do every 10, and then you do the middle of that and the middle of that of the 10, and it gets easier and easier to put the spring. Well, the springs, it gets harder and harder to put it on, but if you do it this way, to where you're doing it in sections, you won't have an impossible job to do at the end. And if you do have an impossible job to do at the end, use channel lock pliers and crimp onto the end of your spring right here and pull as hard as you can down into the groove. Now I'm going to count 10 over. I'll put all these springs on already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I found my 10th one. So I'm going to put in progress here. So we have one there, one there, one here, one there. You get the idea. Once you get those on every 10, I mean, you'll run into an area where you're 2 left and it won't work quite out, but anyway, then you'll pick half between that one and there, you'll put the half one on, and so forth, and you keep going around like that, and you'll get it on, and it'll be awesome. What I like to do, the best method I like to do to put these on is I put my left hand, I'm right-handed, left hand towards the back of the spring right here, and then my right hand will go, I don't have the camera set up right, but my right hand will go on the overlap that hand on this side, so, and it'll be easier to pull on there. Okay, once you get all the springs on, test it out, put some weight on it, and just see how it rolls. I'm missing a spring or two, but it still works pretty good. I think I'm missing 3 springs, but it works great. That's how you put the springs on the trampoline, and it's oh so fun. I put these weight, it's just weight. Okay, we're going to put together a trampoline. So this is the final product. So to remove, count every 10. So I took this one off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took that one off, but the next one I'm going to take off to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It makes it easier if you do it by every 10. So, and then you keep going until you're around. Okay, once you have all your springs removed and the mat, the bottom of the trampoline down, off, then you're ready to take apart your metal brace here that goes around, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You just gotta, there's holes here to where the bolts that came with you, I just have that shoved in there because it's like a T-bracket. You just pull it apart. See, once you take this bolt out right here, it'll just pop right out. You want to do that for the rest of them. I have a slide there just for fun, but you want to do it for all of them, and then you pull these out, put this back together, and just wanted to show you. So